Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the account that stores your search history. This ensures you access the right timeline and sync settings. Once signed in, open the browser or app settings and go directly to Privacy or History. Do not wander through general menus. You're doing this to control personalization and privacy, so decide immediately whether to view, pause, or remove entries. If you plan to delete, prepare to choose a time frame. This makes the next steps faster and prevents accidental full clears. Once you're in the history view, use the built-in search and filters to narrow results by date, term, or domain. This saves time and prevents over-deleting. Then select items, tap single results for details, use range selection for days or weeks, or hit the check-all when you need a broad cleanup. Make sure to pick the correct action, view to confirm, delete to remove, or export if you want a backup. These middle steps are about precision. Doing them carefully avoids losing data you need. Finish by choosing whether to pause history collection or clear selected ranges. Pausing prevents new entries while you assess long-term policy. When clearing, you can remove browsing items, cookies, or cached data. Make sure to confirm the chosen time window so you don't erase more than intended. If something goes wrong, first check account sync settings and look for backup or export you created. Restoring from an exported file or re-enabling sync often recovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.